Yo, what up? Calamity, you can see. Yo, we back at it again. Got some lines that I've written in the past few months. Get to spit it for y'all. Yo. Mine's like a pasture covered in green, with space capsule Everclear and evergreen. Cause I'm always sipping on magic elixirs, which helps me severine. Ties, I like them, I said that, I lied. Let me forge my spirit, and now it's tempering. We're letting sparks fly from Glocks and sentencing. My old tendencies that are pending be, we put them down to lie. I mean, put that down in lines. Pause, not actual lines. I mean, it's how it's meant to be. Erase the old to usher in the new. Clear up everything that isn't suited to win or for success to be happening. But it isn't all for the best. Clear out a few habits, believe, follow the rest. It balances out your nature, bad or good, there are no favors. So when they mix, it gives you a new flavor. Limited potential, I'm taking some pills to utilize my whole brain and then max up my skills. But you think first Drake is ill? It's right the verse that's giving you chills. Better cut the modeling and stop acting for real. Messed up that line. Supposed to be Drake verse. Yo. Finally it's my turn. The momentum's switching. Pendulum motion for a switch was a given. Slipping and rhyme free. In time you'll see the scheme. In the meanwhile, accompany me. While I'm tipping the tower of my potential over. And I turn into a lyrical ogre. What? Yes, I'm sober. Bars! But I'm starting a line. I tend to be setting a trend. It's sitting intended to switch in. Fuck it, I'm trend setting the general trend setting while ascending vertical ascent past the end setting of life. Alright, the ends setting the one's end setting once in its offense sentence, but the sentence descended into the underworld, no trace, palm to the face, and its success is dependent on the end admitting and on admitting when you're in the wrong. It's fitting the meeting up and admitting when you're in the wrong and apologize sitting. But the victim despondent as he views the horizon, dreaming of an astral moon, gleaming like Poseidon's trident, liken it to the silence that follows, steaming to escape, dark-minded like a pirate, although, switch it up, I've been swinging light with the left, right, with the jabs, Gucci man at the mall, ball, I'm tall, you're small, that's all, nah, wait a minute, hold up, let's right, left, you right, left from before, left numb can be felt right, but left right from the right, or the right numb left as the right left, right? You can't comprehend? You blacked out? You're going under, man. And this fight, my fist hit, then you woke up, shook you right to the bone, then left. We call that animated type of syndrome. Back home with the T-dot, we hit it. We hit the spot, we going, we gleam it off, we going and hit it off. We just puff, pass, we hitting it off. And we just go, smoking up the spot. Smoking it in green, we going and hitting the freeze, we going in detox speed, we going hitting these lines, we going spitting it free, leave, we going hitting these leaves, we need these, cause it's for medication, to hit these lines, medicine, we celebrating. Thank you very, very, very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you're already subscribed, or if you're not, hit that subscribe button and tell people about this. It helps to grow the channel. Helps so that you can see more that you want to see. If you have any beats you want to suggest, just put them in the comments or comment whatever you liked about this video. Also check out my SoundCloud. It's 3 songs on there. Well, there's 2 of them that are okay. One of them's kind of my first song, so it might be a little weird. But yeah, check it out. And it's under my multisyllabic video. And yeah, just put in suggestions, whatever you want me to do, freestyle, written, and yeah. Peace out.